Good morning, everyone. This short video is meant to assist everybody with the registration process. Just a couple of announcements. The registration for returning students starts today, November 21st at 2 p.m. In terms of paying for your registration, you can do so at the time of your child's or your own grading. If you haven't received a grading time, you can pay for registration on your first night of classes for term 2. So with that being said, let's get started. There are actually two ZenPlanner apps. Now, a common thing that will happen is students download the staff app by accident. You need special permissions to log on to this app, so you need to ensure that you download the white ZenPlanner app with the Z in the center. So let's click this. For those that have logged in before, it will log you in automatically. For those who haven't, this is why I'm logged out. What you'll have to do is enter the email address that we have on file for your child or yourself and hit Forgot Password. When you do this, ZenPlanner will send you a temporary password to use to log in. Use that temporary password to log in, and then it will immediately ask you to change your password. Once done, you'll be able to log in. So I'm going to log in here now. Right when it logs you in, it brings you to the calendar. So the calendar is where you're going to need to do your registration process. As you can see, I've registered myself for Junior A, so to give you guys an example. And there's one Junior A class scheduled for today that I'm registered for. So you can see there's a little box that says the time of the class, the program, the instructor, and then what studio the class is being held in. And then to the right of this, there's an X with full. This X with full means that the class is currently full and no more reservations can be made for this class. If there was a star there, it would be an outline of a red star saying that you are able to reserve this class. You will be able to click that star to reserve that specific class time. So for the Term 2 registration, when you log on, you need to go to the week of November 29th and December 5th. So you can do so by using the arrows on either side of your screen. So I'll just move forward here. Sunday, November 29th. This would be the first day of the registration week. So you can see there are two classes here. Currently, excuse me guys, currently there is no X saying that the class is full and no star allowing you to reserve the class. This is because registration opens up at 2 p.m. today. On 2 p.m., you'll be able to see the star when you log on to the class and then be able to select that star. Now, for example, if your child is in Junior A and does 2 classes a week, and you want them to attend on Tuesday and Friday, you would have to go to the Tuesday and Friday of the week of November 29th to December 5th. So let's go to Tuesday. As you can see, the programs will be there. You'll only see the programs that you or your child is eligible for. I'm a black belt, so I'm in Senior D. That would be the program for me, but I've added Junior A just to give you guys a walkthrough. So again, the stars aren't here currently because it's not 2 o'clock. When 2 o'clock happens, the app will update and will allow you to reserve this class. So you would hit the star next to the specific class time that you want on Tuesday. And the other day we said we wanted was Friday, so I go to Friday. And as you can see, there are 3 class times that I can pick from. So I would pick the class time that I would want to attend, and then you're done. The steps, that's all the steps that you need to do on the app. Now, if you want to ensure that you are reserved correctly for the next term, at the top of this app, you can see there's a reservations tab. You can hit reservations, and it will show you what reservations you have. So currently, I haven't reserved any classes past today, so I have no upcoming reservations. But after you've completed your reservations in the app, you should see both the Tuesday and the Friday or whatever combination of classes you have in your reservations tab. Now, after the registration closes on November 29th, that's when new students would come and register at the dojo. The app will update, and the classes that you picked for this 1 week, November 29th to December 5th, will be the class reservations you have for the entire term, right up until February 28th, 2021. Other than that, that's the only thing that you need to do for the reservations on the app. Again, you can pay for the registration at the time of your child's or your own grading. Or if you don't have a grading time, you can pay for registration on your first night of classes in term 2. If you're having any problems with registering, I will be staying at the dojo until 3 o'clock today, answering emails, any phone calls that we get, so feel free to contact us and I'll do the best I can. Now, we do usually have a few people that call on a registration day for help, so if the line is busy, you can just wait a couple minutes and then give us a call back, or respond to emails. We'll have both myself and Sensei Ryan here to respond to email questions. With that being said, that's your full tutorial, guys. So I wish you good luck with your gradings. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks, guys.